Hi everyone, this is Vic. On this first lesson, I'm going to teach you how to read and play quarter notes on a drum kit. Before we begin, we're going to count in fours. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will keep it to 4, which we can call it a common time in musical terms, or a 4/4 time signature. Let's look at the chart, right? It has 4 notes on the snare drum, right? You look at the staff lines, right, where it's placed. If you look at it from bottom, if you look at the space, 1, 2, third one from the bottom, it's the space for the snare drum. So we're going to play 4 measures or 4 bars, we call it, right? So, but let's come to that later. Right now, let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? That's how you count. Now, we're going to play it right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? It's going to be 4 measures. Okay, next up, we're going to use the same rhythm we played on the snare drum, which are the quarter notes, right? So we're going to use them to play on a hi-hat, right? But instead of 2 hands, we're going to use just 1 hand, which is the right hand, the right stick. We're going to hit it on the hi-hat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Next up, we're going to add in the kick drum, the bass drum or kick drum we call it. You're going to play it with your right foot. Okay, we're going to play together with the hi-hat. So kick and hi-hat, they're going to be played together on the 4 pulses. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Your right hand and your right foot together. All right, this is going to be the trickier part. We're going to hit the snare drum on the 2nd and 4th beat. So on the 2 and 4. All right. So the hi-hat and the kick drum, they're going to be together. And then you have the snare, which is going to come in on the 2 and 4. All right. The 2nd and 4th beat. Nice. So now that was 60 BPM. BPM means beats per minute, right? Every music has a tempo. So earlier we did that at 60 BPM. Now we're going to do it at 80 BPM. So 80 beats per minute, slightly faster. Great. If you feel comfortable, we're going to do it at 100 beats per minute, 100 BPM. Fantastic. Next, we're going to play 4 measures. So first 3 measures are the groove, we call it groove pattern, and then followed by a feel, which is going to be on the snare drum fest, on the 4th bar. Right? Let's look at that now. We're going to be playing another 4 measures, but this time the feel is going to be on the snare, first tom, second tom, and the floor tom. Let's try that. Good. Now we're going to combine everything together and play 8 measures. Right? And the first feel on the 4th bar, on the 4th measure, is going to be on the snare drum. And then the second feel is going to be on the snare, first tom, second tom, and the floor tom. Let's try that now. All right, everyone, we have come to the end of this lesson, and this is only the very first lesson of many to come. So we just spoke about quarter notes. We're going to learn more, like the 8th notes, the 16 notes, and so on and so forth. Right? Keep watching. Please subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.